Right, quick cup of coffee. Got the dial dots out. So these are 3mm, which are absolutely teeny weeny, but you'll see they ain't going to fit on that centre silver bit. They look giant, but they will fit around the outside, which is super cool. So we're going to have a look at getting some of them in place. Okay, we're getting there. First one, I've not used these before, and the first one I peeled off. I was thinking it's not very sticky. That's because the sticky bit was still on the sheet. So I'll replace that one in a minute. Which is can't even pick it up. There was that one there. So the sticky dot is I found the sticky dot still on the sheet, which is just there. But I'll probably take that one off and put a new one. Yeah, they're quite sticky, so that's good. So I'm just going to work around, 3, 6, 9, 12, and then put them in between. Probably put 2 in between, 2, 2, 2, and 2 and 2, something like that. I think that'll be. Just using the yellow paper cover to press them down. So we're all done on those. Some of them were, well, failures. They didn't come off the paper. Right, going to do a dry run, not sticky run. I don't know what you call it. So I've done it with no stickers. I'm going to do it with 2 stickers on and see if these are catching. I just want it to just slightly adhere so I can take it back off again, reposition it, and then peel them all off and do it all in one go. Maybe they're not. Okay, I have to have a think. Okay, so I think this silver inner ring just here is slightly taller, probably by about 0.5 millimeter. When I'm putting the face on, the paper thickness is thicker than the sticky bit. So that's not letting it sit down onto the sticky face, but just in case, I've doubled up in a few places onto the silver edge here. So worst case scenario, it'll be held by this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one, and not all the other ones, which will just miss. But some of them are double stuck, so that one is stuck on top of that one, so is that one, and so is this one over here. So they're like the super anchors. So we'll try that, see what happens. But obviously I've got to take all the paper off now, so it's lining it up dead on. Hold your breath. past 4, past 4, past 6, past 10, 1 o'clock. Those inner dots did the job, because I didn't peel the paper off the hour dots. Okay, right. Might warm that up a little bit, just make sure that... Little bit of hairdryer, low. Like a summer breeze. So the reason for that was because it's only 63 degrees in here, so it just warms it up a bit, like it would be in the summer really. Get a better adhesion. This is wood, by the way. But I need to get the centre very well centred, because it could interrupt with the moving of the mechanism. So the clearance around the centre hole is pretty dead on. Quite pleased with that. That's more important than getting the date in the window. Now you will find when you're picking up hands, if you drop it, it'll always be upside down. 99 times out of 100. That was good. That was spot on. Yeah. Well, these are what we were waiting for. Hand pushers. What's that dirty sock you got there, Mark? That stops all the little tiny screws falling on the floor. You only got to lose one screw, and then you've got to order it. Yeah, that's alright. That's 2 hands there. Just a skinny boy now. Upside down. Upside down. Upside down. Oh, hold on a minute. Okay. Which one's best? Blue. Looking for dust. Pretty good. up to. Success. Great. Quite good, that. No dramas. I think it's the 5th, isn't it? It is on my 1978 one anyway. Cheers.